Careful.
Mom.
Can you go through the tunnels?
What?
You're silly. She's still hanging on to Oliver's phone. Yeah. Oh, and then, see, Elodie, on the other side, there's a door. Oh, jeez. Here. Yeah, no. The window is like halfway up, and she just sort of, because the thing will bend down.